Hi everybody, this is Teri from Sweet Pea Papers, and I'd like to mention a new feature here at our YouTube channel, or my YouTube channel, which is, if you look below the video, you'll see a join button, and you can sign up to be a member for the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel, and members get, of course, benefits, which is 3 lives a month, a discount in the shop, and some other cool stuff. So I just thought I would mention it because it's new, and I hope that you will join me. This is my design team project for Mandy at SunflowersAndDors. I love this kit. I love nature kits. So let's go ahead and go through it. Now on the cover, I put the word autumnal, but what I did was I put chipboard underneath here and chipboard underneath here, so even though it's hard to see on camera, it's actually raised up pretty good from the surface. This right here was actually supposed to be an envelope. It had a flap on it, and I cut the flap off in the shape of the front, and I made a little opening out of it. And it says, your story with a place to write. This is an acetate belly band holding on this card. And then I put 3 little pieces of ephemera on the band. That makes it hard to put the card in. Not hard. And then on this side, I put another tag. I put this on as a pocket. Get in there. Then when you open this one, I used this tag as a belly band. I added the word October with some chipboard underneath. And then this is the envelope that came with the kit. I left the flap open. I love the images on here. When we get over here, you'll see, this is my favorite mushroom in the whole kit. And then on the inside here, there's a card. I love the combination of the writing with the nature as well. My favorite mushroom in the kit. And I put this on as a pocket. This is actually where I glued the 2 manila folders together. I opened this up and then I cut the piece off, and then I glued it to this folder as an envelope. We've got a nice size card here, and it says life is in the detail, of course with some chipboard. Then you open this, and I fussy cut this out of a page. This says beauty and everything. I like that. And it holds 2 tags inside the tuck. I made a tuck out of it. On this side, we have a manila folder flip. It says autumn. I don't know why I keep reading it to you like you don't know how to read, but anyway, it says autumn with some chipboard. And when you open this up, this was supposed to be a little notebook. You're supposed to fold it in half with a little spine in the middle and then add papers to it, but I thought it looked pretty cool as a tuck. So I inked it and glued it on as a tuck, and I put this really cool tag behind it. Everything's inked. I used, what did I use? Walnut stain, which is really dark for me. I don't usually use that dark of a ink. I put a writing page here. It seemed logical for it to be there. I put this on as a belly band. Lots of belly bands in this. It should be the belly band project. And there's 2 postcards underneath with writing on the other side. It's easier if you put one in at a time. And you flip this back down, and then we're on the back with this really nice image, and it says a new beginning. So that's the flip through for this one. The kit is called, oh my gosh, It's autumn or nature, autumn walk. Oh my gosh, I will put it in the text under the video. Mandy, please don't kill me for forgetting the name of the kit. It's on sale at the shop, which is Etsy, and it's Sunflowers and Doors, not doors. So it's DORS, Sunflowers, and DORS at Etsy. And she's got lots of wonderful kits, and I'm sure that you will enjoy them. So head on over to the shop and take a look. Follow the shop and go ahead and purchase something, because that would be great too. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.